Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey, and today's Halloween episode. I have something very special planned for you. Today, I'm going to read for you a brief, scary story so that you can enjoy and have a good Halloween. Thank you for watching, and always check out A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We like to have fun. Let's get this show on the road. On a misty Halloween night, I found myself on the outskirts of a small, forgotten town. My curiosity had led me to an eerie place known as Hollow Hill. It was said that this desolate hillside concealed a terrifying secret. As I ventured deeper into the darkness, the air grew colder, and the wind whispered ancient secrets. My steps echoed through the silence, the only sound in the spectral realm. It was then that I heard faint laughter, distant but unmistakably eerie. I followed the haunting laughter, drawn to a decrepit mansion perched atop Hollow Hill. Its windows were shattered, and ivy had claimed its walls. As I approached the front door, it creaked open slowly, revealing an abyss of darkness within. Inside, I stumbled upon a room adorned with faded portraits of a long-forgotten family. I could feel the weight of their sorrow and despair in the air. It was then that I heard a whisper, soft as a sigh, calling my name. In the corner of the room, a spectral figure emerged. A woman in a flowing white gown. Her eyes were hollow, and her voice was a mournful wail. She told me her name was Isabella, and she had been trapped in this mansion for centuries, seeking release from her earthly shackles. Isabella's tragic tale unfolded before me. She had been accused of witchcraft by the townsfolk and condemned to die on the very hill where the mansion stood. In her final moments, she had cursed the hill and all who resided there. But Isabella's spirit could never find peace. She beckoned to me, her eyes pleading for help. The room grew colder, and the walls seemed to close in. I knew I had to act. With trembling hands, I recited an incantation, calling upon the spirits of the earth and the heavens to free Isabella from her torment. A blinding light filled the room, and a rush of icy wind swept through. When the light faded, Isabella was gone. The mansion stood in eerie silence, and the air no longer held the weight of sorrow. Isabella's curse had been lifted, and she was finally free. As I left Hollow Hill, I couldn't help but wonder if Isabella's spirit had found peace, or if her restless soul still roamed the darkness on Halloween nights. One thing was certain. The chilling tale of the haunting of Hollow Hill would never leave me. A reminder that some ghosts were simply seeking release from their earthly bonds. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of A VO's Journey and reading of a scary Halloween story. I wanted to do something different and fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We typically don't do little Halloween performances, but Halloween's only once a year, so I have to choose something, right? Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out the link below to A VO's Journey Elite Academy if you're interested in joining a group of really fun voice actors who we do nothing but learn and teach how to grow your voiceover business. All right, guys, I hope you have a good one. Check out the link below. Take it easy. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.